All right, everybody. Today, my first project, cleaning this AC. We know this is gonna get messy, so I think we know what we gotta do. Glove up. All right, and like normal, it starts by taking it off and getting to the coils. All right, get a good look at it before we clean it up. All right, and here's what it looks like after. You can actually tell the difference between the shadow of the GoPro and the coils now. As before, it was so dark, it was all the same. All right, second verse, same as the verse, just in reverse. So now we're just gonna put our clips back in, put our sensor back up, put the front back on. Easy peasy. Let's go. Wish I had a dishwasher I could run the front of this thing through. That's really one of the best things you could do is put it through the dishwasher. Okay, got that off clean. I mean, just look at the difference in the blower now. Like, wow, right? All right, we're gonna get this all put back in. All right, that's all in. Boom. Ta-da. Let's get our buttons cleaned off real quick because those are dirty too. This looks like a brand new AC unit. It'll operate like a brand new AC unit too. That's the other thing, is how much air isn't making it through the coils because they're so congested. You're losing basically output horsepower and cooling capacity. So overall, it just becomes much, much less efficient. So it's very important, very, very important to clean these, not only from a health standpoint, but from a financial standpoint. Ta-da! I'm going to clean this filter and get it turned back on. We're gonna have to do a lot of vacuuming here because it definitely kicked up a lot of dust. Out of the way of it, because usually when you first turn these things on, they're going to spit at you a little bit. So let me get out of the way. Leave all this down here in case of disaster. We can have it ready to clean up. All right. Whoa. Old people noises in 3, 2, 1. That wasn't too bad. We had a couple of big chunks come flying out. Overall, not too bad. All right, one down. Let's go get the kitchen. That one's nasty, nasty. Oh, I can still hear stuff rattling around in there, so I want to get my face away from here because it's probably going to spew some more crap in a minute. It already smells better.